Hey guys, Aaron Williams here at MarineMax Jupiter with the pleasure of bringing you a 2026 Sea Ray SPX 210. This boat is equipped with a 200 horsepower Mercury Verado, and we're gonna jump inside and show you what it has to offer. All right, so starting here on the transom, we get a nice big sun pad back here. You do have a removable ski tow pylon, so you can do all your water sports, tubing, wakeboarding, skiing, you name it. And we do have a ton of space back here to walk around, and you can really utilize the entire aft portion of this boat. Underneath this big seat is actually a large storage compartment and access to all your bilge and batteries. So coming into the walkway here, you do have a nice storage area. You can throw your shoes and other belongings down there. You have access to your battery switch. So it's just one central switch to turn everything on. And then we do have another storage compartment here. You can throw wet goods in there. If you want to throw some ice and drinks and stuff in there, you can. And what really makes this boat versatile and a really cool feature is the massive storage compartment that you have down here. So you do have access to some of your bilge, your batteries, and your steering, but you can fill this thing up with any type of toys that you want to bring to the sandbar, or just anything you're going to need for the day. And it just lifts up and closes. So we do have some storage compartments underneath these seats. You do have a removable cushion here. So if you want to open it up for legroom, or if you want to have a big lounger, you can move this seat forward and have a back facing seat and just get a lot of legroom. So in the middle of the floor here, we have a huge storage compartment. You can throw all your skis, toys, anything you want down there. It really does clean up the space on the top side of the boat, so everything has its own spot. You can throw it down there. And then the helm station here. What a great place for the captain to be piloting the boat from. You have everything that you need. This boat is equipped with the Simrad ultra-wide screen, so you can really maximize the space on the dash without having to take up too much room of your visibility. You have your hard switches on the right, and then you have your audio controls on the left, and you have your Mercury digital throttling here to power that 200 horsepower Mercury engine. Really gives the captain his own space to pilot the boat from, and while everyone else can be moving around the boat and having a good time. So as we move forward, this boat does have a glove box to put some belongings in, and then you have another storage compartment to house some of your boating goods. This boat does have a filler cushion that goes in the center here, so you can have a nice large sun pad. You know, the kids can be up here, have a bunch of room, or you can remove it so you can access all the way to the front of the boat where your anchor is for when you are at the sandbar. And you do have storage underneath each one of these seats here. So again, you have tons of space to put all your belongings in, really maximizing your day out on the water. Lastly here, this boat has been optioned out with the sports tower. This does have a removable bimini top, so you can choose to have it up for shade, or you can stow it away for when you want to get the most sun and utilize this for any water sports like wakeboarding, skiing. It does have an attachment point right here at the top. It really turns this boat into the ultimate fun experience out on the water. Thanks for joining me on this walkthrough of this 2026 Sea Ray SPX 210. If you want to see this boat or any others like it, come on down to MarineMax Jupiter and ask for Aaron.